All right, kids, welcome back to chemistry. I'd like to welcome you to online AP Chemistry. I know this is not ideal. This is not the situation that we were hoping for when we all signed up for AP Chemistry, but we're going to make the best of it. We're going to do the best we can, and that is all that we can do. And so I want to take you through for the week of March 30th what I hope and expect you to be able to do this week. And so, if you go to the Palisades High School website, you learn about school being closed, right? But that's okay. We have Canvas. And so to get to Canvas, you click for parents and students, and then you click on the Canvas link. It's going to take you to Canvas. Then you get here, AP Chemistry. When you click on the AP Chemistry page, this is what you have. And so the goal this week is for you to be able to make sure that all of your third marking period grades are exactly the grades that you want them to be, okay, and including AP Chemistry. So any assignments that appear over here in your to-do list that are past assignments, that are things that are dated like March 13th, something like that, those are the assignments that you're going to want to do, okay? And anything that is over here in assignments that is overdue is what I'm talking about. So you have a to-do list, and your to-do list has assignments that has this little notepad with a pencil next to it. And you have announcements, and the announcements are little megaphones, right? So announcements are how I'm going to deliver to you what I want you to do on a daily basis. But the assignments that you're going to work on this week are over here under assignments. And so you're going to click on here, and then you're going to go and you're going to see past overdue assignments. The overdue assignments is what you want to do. Now, this test student didn't do anything in the whole course, and so all of his assignments are overdue. So that's what you're going to see. You're going to see your overdue assignments, not necessarily all the overdue assignments. Right? So make sure you do these. They're vitally important. Also, you have past assignments. You want to make sure you do these as well. Okay, those are unit quizzes and the free response questions and stuff like that. And if you wanted to redo them, if you wanted to correct those, that's where you want to, take a screenshot of it and then give me your, test corrections in a Google Doc, something like that. Okay, and email those to me. Anything that does not submit on Canvas, you can email to me. Now, just to make sure that you know where everything is, so you have announcements here. The announcements are, again, how I'm going to describe everything to you. Okay, that you have acid-base equilibrium lectures and your equilibrium practice quiz that I told you about. These are things that I was doing for you over the break. And so you can get caught up if once you've turned in all your things and you're at the grade that you want, and you're like, okay, now I need to know what to do. Now you go into the things that we are going to be learning. Okay, so you go into modules and you will scroll down from the resources which you've already downloaded, all the units that you've already done, to Unit 7, Equilibrium. I want to tell you that this is the page that you want, right here, all the equilibrium page. That's all the equilibrium. That's all that you need is here, all the equilibrium. So you click on that, and that's a web page that I created within Canvas that tells you about all the stuff. Okay, everything for equilibrium is here. This is chapter 15, 16, and 17 of the Brown Book. And so when you're finished with all of your assignments that you wanted to get graded for the third marking period, this is where you're going to go. Okay, you're going to go here and you're going to say, okay, what of this is unfamiliar to me? And then you're going to click around on it. Okay, now I will be giving you guys assignments from acid-base equilibrium starting at the end of next week, right? Once we get third marking period stuff finished and we're moving on to the fourth marking period, we're going to start with this acid-base equilibrium jazz, right? But until that point, I want you to swim around up here on the chapter 15 introduction to equilibrium stuff. Okay, the other things you can do will be described to you in email, so I don't need to include them in this screencast. But assignments, that is the key. Now, if there's a question, if you need help with anything, if you just don't understand, if you're feeling like overwhelmed because there's too much stuff, don't worry, I'm here for you. So just send me an email and let me know what's going on. I also have virtual office hours every day from 10 to 11 and from 2:30 to 3. Those, you can do a chat if you want via Google Hangouts. It's in your email app. It's over on the right-hand side. I'd show it to you, but then I have to show you all my emails. I can't do that. So, Google it. Google will tell you how to do it if you don't know how to do it. And there you go. So, I look forward to our online education together. I think if we leverage it properly, we can make it better than face-to-face. But I really need for you guys to just finish up all your Q3 stuff, and we'll move on to the next thing. All right? Have a great day, guys.